Welcome. If you've ever found your Instagram posts filling up with GIF comments and want to keep things clean and focused, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable GIF comments on your Instagram posts using the Instagram app on your PC. This feature is especially handy if you prefer traditional text interactions or want more control over your comment section. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once the app is open, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the one labeled More. This icon usually appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots, and it gives you access to additional options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various aspects of your Instagram experience. Now, in the Settings menu, find and click on Comments. This section controls how people can interact with your posts and what kind of comments are allowed. Inside the Comments settings, look for the option that says Allow GIF comments. By default, this option might be turned on, which means people can reply to your posts with GIFs. To disable GIF comments, simply click the toggle or switch next to Allow GIF comments. Once it's turned off, no one will be able to comment with GIFs on your posts moving forward. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've taken control of your Instagram comment section and can now enjoy a more streamlined, text-only conversation under your posts. Remember, you can always return to these settings and re-enable GIF comments if you change your mind in the future. Keeping your social media experience tailored to your preferences is just a few steps away. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more focused Instagram comments.